Namaste, people online. Good evening. Hello. Please enable your videos. Someone's microphone is under unmute mode. My request to please put your microphone to mute mode. User by username Sanika. Thank you. Videos to be enabled for better communication extent. Communication between us would happen at the best extent possible if video is enabled. And I'll come to know if there are any technical glitches, if any. Do let me know if there is any technical glitch. Is there a difference in voice through? Voice clarity difference idea? Hello? Hello, am I audible clearly? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible and it's clear.
Thanks. Yeah. Let's continue our discussions further. What did we discuss in our last session? Please give me an update on our latest discussion. What discussion ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Give me an update, please. Waiting for your update. Waiting for your update. Waiting for your update. What did we discuss in our last class? And the fast, quick. Hello. What did we discuss in our last class? Hello, people online.
Sir, about electricity.
About electricity, howdu adalli what in specific? Resistance, resistivity adalla aita? Can one of you please read out, no?
Sir, we learnt about conductivity. It is a reciprocal of resistivity.
Okay. Did we discuss about alloys, conductors? Idra ಬಗ್ಗೆ discussion ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
We discussed about
Okay, fine. Nice. Did we solve any numerical on resistance, length, area ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು numerical solve ಮಾಡೋದು? Did we do that? Length,
No, sir.
length, change in length, area.
No, sir.
Resistance, resistivity compare ಮಾಡೋದು. Rho1 is equal to Rho2, R1 is equal to R2 ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? Wire1, wire2 ಅಂತ
No, sir.
No? Okay. If no, we will do it. But please cross check now. Communicate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ಕೂತಿರೋದು, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿರೋದು. There is no point in doing such activity. It's just waste of time to both of us, ನನಗೆ as well as ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, fine. Did we at least write this formula? R is equal to rho L divided by A. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಾ?
Yes, sir, we have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next write down examples. Examples ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿ. Examples. First one. Compare resistance and resistivity. Compare resistance and resistivity in the following examples. Compare resistance and resistivity in the following examples. First one. Wire 1, wire 2. First one, wire 1, wire 2. ಈ ತರ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಪಕ್ಕ? Please check. ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ? Please check. Hello.
Sir, we have written, sir.
We have
You have written, is it?
Yes, sir.
We have written pakka.
Yes, Pakka, sir.
Okay, fine. Length, area, antala ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು copper wire, aluminum wire antala ಕೊಟ್ಟು, did we write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That's what I asked. Yeah, fine. Okay, let's continue. Next, write down Ohm's law. OHM, Ohm's law. LAW. Ohm's law. Statement. Ohm's law. Statement. Statement. I'll write this statement, copy this as it is. Ohm's law statement. When temperature and other physical conditions are kept constant, the current flowing through the conductor, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. Write down. Please write this as it is and give me a prompt. Baradat Kodla, let me know. You have to write it as it is. ಬೇಗ ಬರಬೇಕು. Now observe this circuit diagram. This is a resistor of resistance R. I is the amount of current flowing through it. V is the potential difference across points A and B. Then current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across its ends. This is the standard expression of Ohm's law. I proportional to V. I'll say hence V proportional to I, or V is equal to a constant times I, and this V is equal to R times I. Popularly we say V is equal to IR. V equals I times R. Please make a note of this. Please make a note of this. Make a note of this. Give me a prompt once you are done. ಬರೆದಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
Finished, sir.
Finished with the diagram. And please enable
Yes,
your
sir.
somewhere it increases an effective way of communication. And I can understand if there is a technical glitch to the highest extent with everyone in the group, I can understand. If not, please enable your group. Fine? Yes? Okay. So this is, Ohm's law. Nenpirli, please remember this. Temperature and other physical conditions are kept constant. Resistance should be constant, length should be constant, area should be constant. Resistance, length, area idella constant irbeku. Resistance, length, area idu change adre one of these change adarli obviously V and I are not proportional. Is that clear? Proportional andre eno? If potential difference is large, I don't know. No. Delta V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Potential difference. Delta V, potential difference. Delta I, change in current. Change in current. This is change in potential difference. This is change in current. Is that clear? Fine. Now, delta I is proportional to delta V. Other potential difference, if it increases, current also increases. Potential difference, if it decreases, current also decreases. Is that clear? Potential difference, if this increases, current increases. If potential difference decreases, current decreases. This is directly proportional. Any confusions with this? Idal confusions yarigadro? No, I don't think so. Write this. Next, write down graph of V versus I. Graph of V versus I. What is V here? V is potential difference. What is I here? I is current. V is potential difference, I is current. Now, on what basis are we writing this graph? Graph of V versus I anta helidvi, fine, cool, holo. It is graph of V versus I. On what basis is this graph written? How am I writing graph? From where did I get values? Values ellinda bante graph ige. Adon question arise agutte. Hauda? Fine. So let this heading be as it is, graph of V versus I antane. So we'll perform a simple experiment. This you are in your school once all this offline classes begin. If they begin within stipulated amount of time, it is performed as an activity in your school. It will be performed in your school. Okay. This is V. V and the voltmeter. What is V there? Here V.
Voltmeter.
Circle. What does the symbol represent? The symbol tells you voltmeter. What is voltmeter? It is a device. Voltmeter, a device used to measure. A device used to measure potential difference. Device used to measure potential difference across ends of a component. Device used to measure potential difference across ends of a component. Okay. Next, some important information on this voltmeter. A voltmeter is always connected in parallel to a given component. How do you connect a voltmeter? Voltmeter na ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ? voltmeter ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Across. Connection across is called parallel. In detail, parallel ಬಗ್ಗೆ we will study in our next discussion. Our next discussion is dedicated to studying about series parallel ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ next discussion. As of now, parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Connection across is called parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Next. Electrical resistance of a voltmeter. Electrical resistance of a voltmeter is infinity or infinite. Andre very large electrical resistance. Very large electrical resistance irutte. Yadakke? Voltmeter. Not just large resistance, very large electrical resistance. Is that clear? Is that clear, people? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Write down. There is a user by username V2036. Please change it to your name. No such, all this code numbers are not allowed. Please change it to your name V2036, or else the technical team will remove you from the meeting. User by username V2036. User by username V2036. Please change your username, or else the technical team will remove you from the meeting. Fine. Put your microphone to mute mode. Kalavati. Please put your microphone to mute mode. Okay, fine. Idal doubt yarigadru? No. Shall I continue? Yes. Now, next. This is connected to an ammeter. What is ammeter? Ammeter is also another device. What is an ammeter? Ammeter is a device. Now we will write some notes on ammeter. All this is required for us throughout our discussion on this chapter, current electricity. Ammeter. What is an ammeter? Ammeter. Ammeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ a device. Ammeter is a device. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ? Used to measure. ಏನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ammeter ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Used to measure electric current. Used to measure electric current flowing through a component. Flowing through a component or a device. Used to measure electric current flowing through a component or a device. Is that clear? Yes. Next, an ammeter is always connected in series. An ammeter is always connected in series with a given component. Ammeter na ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ? Series ಯಾವ್ದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ? With a given component. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ammeter. ಹೌದಾ? Electrical resistance of an ammeter. electrical resistance of an ammeter is very, very small. Electrical resistance of an ammeter is very, very small, almost zero. Almost zero. ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ electrical resistance? ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು? Almost zero. Resistance is zero. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? Ammeter. Is that clear? Please write this. Please write this. Give me a prompt once you are done.
Finish, sir.
Aita? Fine. All this can be asked for 1 marks or objective type questions. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. I'll erase this notes on voltmeter. This was written earlier. I'll connect this to back. Battery is different, a cell is different. ಇದು battery. Battery ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Battery is group of cells. A battery is group of cells. A battery is group of cells. Cells na ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ connect ಮಾಡೋದು battery ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fine. Switch is not mandatory. Now I have another component here, which is a variable resistor. This is rheostat. ಏನಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು? Rheostat. What is a rheostat? A rheostat is a variable resistor. A rheostat is a variable resistor. ಏನ್ variable resistor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಾ? See, variable resistor ಅಂದ್ರೆ variable change ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ change ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? Resistance change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು resistance change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಈ ಡಿವೈಸ್ resistance change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ resistance change ಆದಾಗ? Resistance change ಆದಾಗ current change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Resistance change ಆದಾಗ voltage change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How? Ohm's law. Simple. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಟಕ್ 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 ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವೆನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರಿಡ್? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ನ ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ which is supplied to the fan changes. Andre, what is this regulator doing? This is changing voltage in steps. Is that clear? What is this regulator doing? This is changing potential difference in steps. Aga current to change after that, obviously. Adhe thara rheostat ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? A rheostat is used. Hope it is clear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ a rheostat is used to vary voltage in steps. And hence the current also changes. Current ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ವೆಲ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್. V is equal to I times R. R ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, V ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, I ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Why is R changing? Because it is variable resistor. Variable change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Resistance. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? What does a regulator do? A regulator is used to vary resistance. Resistance vary ಆದ್ರೆ voltage vary ಆಯ್ತು, current vary ಆಯ್ತು. Is that clear? On a lighter note, is that clear? Yes. Question ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Is that clear? Actually ನೀವು yes ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾನೇ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಮೋನೋ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೊಂಥರ. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. ನಾನೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ವಾ, so nice. How brilliant I am. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಕಂಡ್ರು. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವೈರ್. ವೈರ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಲ್ ವಿ? ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ವಿ, ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Potential difference. ಹೆಂಗ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Measured in volts. Potential difference na volts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಐ. ಐ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. How do I measure electric current? Electric current is measured in ampere. Electric current is measured in ampere. ಇಲ್ಲಿ voltage 0, first trial. Current 0. ಯಾಕೆ? V is proportional to I. V 0 ಆದ್ರೆ I 0. Is that correct? Yes. Next ಏನು? voltage ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ and vary voltage. Voltage na increase ಮಾಡಿದೆ 2 volts. Current say 1. Sir, voltage to adre current 1 ಆಗಬಹುದು. Did we say voltage ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. Voltage 4, current 2. Voltage 6, current 3. Voltage 8, current 4. 10 volts, 5 ampere. ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಮಿಲಿ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಜನರಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿಲಿ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. ಇರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Is that clear? So it goes on. What is your observation? Voltage is increasing in steps. Current also increases in steps. So that voltage ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Current 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವೋ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಮಹನೀಯರೇ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ?
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ರೂಲರ್. ರೂಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. This is V, this is I. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ನಾನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೆಜರಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ. ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm measuring voltage. ಮಾಡೋದ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೆದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರೋದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ. ಫೈನ್. ಯಾ, ಈಗ 0ಗೆ 0 ಇದು ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. You had to write this table, you had to write this graph. At least scale ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, fine. ಬೇಗ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Done हो गया?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay, with the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Now please mark these points. Mark ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2, I mean 0, 0. 2 volts, 1 ampere. 2 volts, 1 ampere is here. ಹೌದಾ? 2 volts, 1 ampere. X-axis, Y-axis. 2 volts, 1 ampere. Next, 4 volts, 2 ampere. 4 volts, 2 ampere. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾನು ವೇಗ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Sir, the graph will be straight line, sir.
It should be a straight line, exactly correct. 6 and 3. 6 ಗೆ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 6 ಗೆ 3. Again I have told you, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರಿಗ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8, 4. 8 ಗೆ 4. Next, 10 ಗೆ 5. 10, 5. 10, 5 is somewhere here. ಹೌದಾ? Yes, is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. Now please,
Yes, sir.
join these points. The points nalla join ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ವಾವ್, ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಬ್ರಿಲಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು? ನೀವು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನಾವೇ ಸರ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್? Now you would have measured 1 centimeters here. Howda? This is x-axis. You would have measured 1 centimeter. This is y-axis. You would have measured 1 centimeter. X-axis. X-axis. 1 centimeter equals. Now please tell me, according to us, in x-axis, what does 1 centimeter mean? 1 centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, x-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 1 centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ampere. Is that correct? Is that correct? x-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 centimeter ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is 1 ampere. Do you agree with this? ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, y-axis. Y-axis. 1 centimeter. What does 1 centimeter in y-axis mean? Y-axis 2 volts. Howda? Is that correct? 1 centimeter in y-axis is equal to 2 volts. Howda alvo?
ಹೌದು sir. ಹೌದು sir.
Yes sir.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈಗ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ತು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಆಮ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸಿ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಮ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ದೇ ವೇರಿ. ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡೋಮೀಟರ್, ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ 4 ವೀಲರ್ 2 ವೀಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅನಲಾಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಗೇಜ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಂ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಗೇಜ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ನೋ, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಹೇಳ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, fine, thank you. Hey, by the way,
Yes,
this
sir.
classroom two-way mode of discussion idu, one way alla, YouTube link alla idu, two-way mode of discussion. You have to make use of things. Fine. Now, illu ade thara nanu rheostat na push ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Volt meter reading I saw something, ammeter reading I saw, whatever I saw I have recorded. How did this come? I have changed the rheostat. Rheostat na push ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ತರ some sliding ಏನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, some technology. It is sliding one, by the way. One we are using is sliding one. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ voltage current values keep changing. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 10. I kept changing rheostat. I have recorded readings that are observed in V as well as A, voltmeter and ammeter. Is that clear? Yes. Now please observe how to find slope from this. ಇದರಿಂದ slope ನ ಹೇಗೆ calculate ಮಾಡೋದು? How to find slope from this? See, slope is calculated using formula. Slope, you have read this in 9th standard in motion chapter. First chapter in your 9th standard was motion and rest. ಹೌದಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Slope. How do you calculate slope? Slope is amount of inclination. That amount of inclination is given by tan theta. ಹೌದಾ. If you have doubts in how to calculate slope, go to Sankalp YouTube channel. Sankalp YouTube channel ಅಲ್ಲಿ slope ಇಲ್ಲ, YouTube ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ slope Sankalp ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you will see my video. ಏನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ, SLOP ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. ಅದ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, this will appear. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will appear. ಅಲ್ಲಿ I have detailed, I have given a detailed explanation on how to calculate slope. Tan theta. I'll mark 2 points. A, B, C. I'll write this is theta. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is tan theta? Is sine, cos, tan, trigonometric ratios. You will learn in mathematics 10th grade. This year you have this topic called trigonometry. There you will learn this. Okay. Fine. Now what does AC give you here? AC gives you change in voltage. So slope here gives you change in voltage.
Sir, your voice is unable, sir.
Manya, are you online, Manya? Manya? Yeah, fine. Shall we continue? Am I audible? Am I audible, people?
Yes, sir.
Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you. Now, see, delta V by delta I andre resistance. So resistance is equal to slope is equal to delta V by delta I. Is that correct? Resistance is equal to slope, which is equal to delta V by delta I. Please make a note of these things. Please make a note of these things. And let me know once you are done. Fast.
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Hope you have completed it. Did you? Yes, sir. Fine. So then particularly resistance. How do you calculate resistance? Slope. Is that clear? So slope of V versus I graph gives you resistance. Write down. Slope of, write this. Slope of V versus I graph gives electrical resistance. Slope of V versus I graph gives electrical resistance. Slope of V versus I graph gives electrical resistance. Fine, fair enough? Yeah. Then pretty cool at the same time. Now shall we calculate value from this? Let's jump to calculating values. R is equal to delta V divided by delta I. Now please tell me what is delta V in this case. Here in this graph, delta V is 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 volts minus 6 volts divided by 4 ampere minus 3 ampere. We went with whatever values we have marked. We did not measure it using a scale. Remember, we did not measure it using a scale. We went with whatever values we have marked. Okay. Yes, boss. Now, what is 8 minus 6? 8 minus 6 is 2 volt by 1 ampere. Sorry. It should be delta V by delta I. Here, delta V divided by delta I. So it is 2 by 1. What is 2 by 1? 2 by 1 is 2 and its SI unit is ohm. Again, what is electrical resistance? Electrical resistance is 2 ohm. How did I calculate electrical resistance? I have calculated electrical resistance not by using any device to find resistance, but in turn. I have found value of V, I have found value of I, and from this V and I value, I have tabulated every other values that I have got, and from these tabulated values, I have found value of electrical resistance. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From these tabulated values, I have found electrical resistance. Please remember, this value remains same. This 2 ohm remains same for any 2 points on this line. You yellow bekidru 2 points mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, please use another color. ಬೇರೆ color pen or pencil or ಇಲ್ಲ sketch pen ಏನೋ use ಮಾಡಿ. I'll also use a different color and I'll plot in the same graph. Now this is A as it is. I'll say this is E. I'll say this is F. This is delta V now. I have marked in red. Hope it is visible to you guys. Is that visible? Red color ಅಲ್ಲಿ mark
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes. And here I have delta I. Hope it is visible. Is that visible? Yes. Now, similarly, I'll calculate here. Red alle calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. I'll write in red. R is equal to delta V divided by delta I. What is delta V here? 8 minus 2. 8 volt minus 2 volt divided by, see here, this one. 4 minus 1. 4 ampere minus 1 ampere. What is 8 minus 2? 6 volts. What is 4 minus 1? 3 ampere. What is 6 by 3? 2 ohm. Is that clear? Is that correct? Here I have 2 ohm. What is moral of the story? Conclusion, you know. Conclusion that is drawn is, wherever you select on this line, is slope constant ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Slope of the inclination. See, this theta value is constant. Mark any 2 points of your choice, you'll get same value. Andre, you know, resistance is a constant. From this, what conclusion did you draw? Electrical resistance of a given wire with fixed temperature and other physical conditions. Electrical resistance of a given wire is constant for fixed temperature and fixed temperature and other physical conditions being constant. Other physical conditions being constant. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ, physical conditions should also remain constant. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Physical conditions constant ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೇನೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ವೈರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಗಿವನ್ ವೈರ್. ನಾನು ವೈರ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವೈರ್. ಐ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಐ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದೇ ವೈರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಡು. Is that clear? Yes. Hope it is clear. Is that clear? Shall I continue further? Hello. Hello. Shall we continue further? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next, we'll solve one simple numerical. Write down. Graph of V versus I is plotted for wires A and B. Which wire has large resistance and which wire has large conductance? This is example question, numerical. Example question numerical. I'll write the graph. This is graph. Yes. Shall I continue? Which wire has got large resistance? Which wire has got large conductance? Resistance of A is greater than resistance of B. Resistance of B is greater than resistance of A. Why? Because slope of B is greater than slope of A. Slope andre eno? Amount of inclination. What is slope? Slope is amount of inclination. Again, I repeat, if you want better clarity on slope, again visit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು Sankalp slope ಅಂತ type ಮಾಡಿ. There is a video uploaded in your YouTube same channel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ Sankalp channel ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Please visit that, you will get a clarity. So slope ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, hence resistance is large. Fine, we have answered first question. Second question, which wire has got large conductance? Conductance of A is greater than conductance of B. Conductance of A is greater than conductance of B. Conductance A is greater than conductance B. Conductance B. Why? Conductance of A is greater than conductance of B. Yake? Because resistance and conductance are inversely proportional. Resistance is inversely proportional to conductance. Resistance is inversely proportional to conductance. Conductance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, resistance ಕಮ್ಮಿ. Or in other words, resistance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ conductance ಕಮ್ಮಿ, resistance ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ conductance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ. See, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ. Is that clear? Is that clear? Hello. Is that clear? Yes.
Sir, no sir, can you explain it again?
Which one? Which should I explain? Yavudu?
Sir, that numerical.
Yavudu? Yav step? What should I explain? I'll explain
Sir,
whatever.
from starting, sir.
From the starting. Okay. See, from the graph, we have to decide two things. ಏನಂತೆ? Which wire has large resistance? See, which wire has large resistance and which wire has large conductance. Andre are wires given to you physically? Allah, wires kottilla. They have performed experiment, they have tabulated values. Or ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Graph of V versus I is plotted. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಅವರು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಂದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನು? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಐ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಐ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. More the slope, more the resistance. Less the slope, less the resistance. Slope andre eno? Amount of inclination. Andre inclination andre eno? It horizontal. ಇದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಎ, ಇದು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್, ಇದು ಬಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಹೌದಾ? ಎ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಸಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್.
B is more, sir.
ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೈಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ 9th grade ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Your teacher would have given detailed explanation about slope in 9th standard in chapter motion. Equations of motion CBSE ಗೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಗೂ ಇತ್ತು, ICSE ಗೂ ಇತ್ತು. Equations of motion, V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. ಅದಿತ್ತು ಹೌದಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಟೀಚರ್ would have told you in detail. ಬಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that's why I told you have a look at Sankalp slope, a YouTube channel visit ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ detailed discussion ಆಗಿದೆ. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes boss. Now continuing further. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ವಿಷಯ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್? ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ. A wire with high resistance will have less conductance. Resistance, conductance ಬಗ್ಗೆ we have spoke in the last class. Resistance, resistivity, conductance, conductivity ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಿ already. These are not new things to us. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yeah. So more the resistance, less the conductance. Less the conductance, more the resistance. Other way around. More the less the resistance, more is the conductance. Ulta palta. Hence conductance of A is greater than conductance of B. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Fine. Super. Tomorrow this more numericals will do it after completing the chapter. ಈಗ first theory ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. Tomorrow we will start combination of resistors in series and parallel. You can make a note of side heading so that again tomorrow we should need not discuss ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಥೆ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ just will come to conclusion directly. So combination of resistors ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Tomorrow's topic of discussion is combination of resistors.
Okay, sir.
Combination of resistors ad naಳೆಗೆ. Okay, go through this, go through that slope. YouTube slope sankalp ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
When it is uploaded, sir?
Sorry,
When it is uploaded?
it is uploaded long back, more than 1 month before, 1.5 month ಏನೋ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ನಂದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you will get a video YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay then, super. Thank you. Take care. See you. Bye bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Session can be ended.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Session can be ended. Thank you. Bye bye.